Okay, this is a short tutorial of installing Nerd fonts on Arch Linux. As you can see over here, my fonts are just a little bit messed up. Not too hard to fix though. So I'm going to go cd download. I'm going to make a download for fonts. I'm going to cd into fonts. We're going to come over here to nerdfonts.org, I believe, or is it nerdfonts.com? You're going to go to downloads. You're going to right click on download. You're going to copy link address. Then we're going to do curl -lo and then paste that in. That's going to download the fonts for us. We're going to do an ls. Now we're going to make sure we have unzip installed. We do not, so we're going to do sudo pacman-s unzip. Then next we are going to do sudo mkdir -p user share fonts nerd fonts, and we'll do one called BlexMono. Then we're going to do sudo unzip. The BlexMono zip file. Then we're going to do -d user share fonts nerd fonts BlexMono. So that gets us to the point where we have extracted them into our fonts folder. And then next we want to do fc cache-fv. And then hopefully we will be, let's see here, we'll do vim config alacritty.toml, and let's just do a quick, we might need to do a restart, so let's just kill this really quick, and then we'll do a quick Control-T, and you'll see they are looking better. So if you want to change it, I'm using Alacritty, so we can do cd downloads, fonts. So let's just take a look at another one here. We'll do Fira code. That one's just a classic, right? We'll copy the link address. We'll do curl-lo. Okay, then we're going to we'll create a new one here. Then we'll do same thing, come back up here, except this time we'll do Fira code -d user share fonts nerd fonts Fira code. So we extracted fc cache-fv. Now we can come into vim config alacritty.toml, and if we want to change our normal font to Fira code, we would just do it like this. And finally down here, now we're on Fira code, Control-D, Control-Q. And then again, right, if we want to change it back, it's just as simple as Fira code. I screwed this up, didn't I? As you can see, it changed it ever so slightly. And that's how you do nerd fonts on Arch Linux.